Good
Good
morning,
morning,
Miss.
Miss.
Morning, Miss. How are you?
I'm
I'm
fine.
fine.
And you?
I'm fine. Okay, I'm great. Thank you. What about your condition? Are you still healthy? Masih sehat? Masih semangat?
Semangat. Semangat.
Great. Okay, before we start the meeting, class captain, can you please lead the pray?
Okay, friends. Before we study, let's pray together. Pray begin. Pray finish.
Thank you, Mona. Briani,
It's me.
Asa Monica,
It's me.
Mona ada,
Present, Miss.
Mariana Teresia.
Present, Miss.
Before we go on to the next steps, I want to ask you about some characteristic of descriptive text. Group 2.
Saya Miss.
Febri.
Saya Miss.
Febriani, what is the definition of descriptive text?
Descriptive text is a text that describes particular dish, animal, person, of other specially.
And then group 1, the purpose.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Violeta.
The purpose is mainly to describe the object used in the script. Detail for information about the object.
How about the generic structure? Group 3.
The generic structure of this text consists of identification, description,
As you said, the definition of descriptive text, as we see here, is a text that describe particular things about the purpose. As Violeta said, itu adalah kata kuncinya describe. Kemudian generic structure, as Asa Monica said, there are two generic structure, consist of identification and description. Language feature. Nah, yang pertama, ciri-ciri utama dari descriptive text detail. The third one is specific object. Nah, ini teks yang sudah kalian analisis kemarin. So, today kalian harus menyusun teks lisan yang nantinya harus disampaikan dalam bentuk video. I will show you the first videos. Ini tentang video lokal yang ada di daerah kita. So, watch carefully the videos while you are answering the questions. You have watched the videos and now I want to ask you some questions. Okay, Lucia, what is the name of the tourism object that shown in the videos? Tempat pariwisata apa?
Danau Sentarum.
Ya, Danau Sentarum. What do you think of Danau Sentarum? Based on the videos, kalau belum pernah kamu pergi ke sana.
This place will be a great place to explore. We can learn how to appreciate nature.
How about the adjective? Can you find any adjectives in the videos? Coba sebutkan.
Big,
Dry,
Ya, dry.
big, famous,
Unique, interesting,
Rama,
famous, well known.
Jadi kata-kata yang kalian sebutkan tadi adalah kata sifat. Ada large, deep, kemudian big, dry, wet. Okay, I have played you the second videos. I will ask you the same question. What is the name of the tourism object on the second video?
Candi Prambanan.
Prambanan Temples.
Iya, Candi Prambanan
Prambanan.
atau Prambanan Temple.
Temples.
And then, where is it located?
Center of Jawa Island, Yogyakarta.
Ya, the center of Java Island.
Japan.
Tepatnya Yogyakarta. Ya. Why people should visit Candi Prambanan?
It's of offer use some interesting facilities like the view, history written in many scaffolding, a restaurant serve Indonesian food.
Can you find any adjectives in the video?
Disgusting, popular, smart,
Slow,
friendly,
wonderful,
built now,
free, relax, great.
free, wonderful.
Oke, ya ada wonderful, spectacular, small, well-known, extraordinary, dan lain-lain. After this, you have to make a draft text about your favorite tourism place. You have to answer this question to help you conducting the text. But you can find some literature at the internet or book. Nah, ini nanti yang akan jadi project kamu yang terakhir. Nanti kamu harus membuat video. Okay, have you sent your text? Now, as the sample, I want some of you to read your text, and then the other one give her suggestion. Silahkan Febriani.
Okay, hello everyone, my name is Febriani. I would like to tell you about the wonderful place in West Kalimantan, Bukit Bawang. Bukit Bawang is hill located in West Kalimantan.
How about the Febriani's text? Or maybe you can give her suggestion about her speaking?
Penyebutannya tinggal dipoles-poles lagi dikit.
Ya, jadi
Okay,
tinggal
thank
latihan
you.
aja ya.
Okay.
Kalau dari teksnya sih, mungkin masih belajar lagi kan. Nah, bagus.
Lucia.
Hello everyone. Sister Ami to introduce who I am. My name is Lucia Serdana. I am a student of SMA Negeri 2 Sungai Ambawang. Gua Maria from Anjungan. Gua Maria is a place of worship. Both Catholic, the only get
What do you think about Lucia's performance?
In my opinion, speaking, Lucia is good.
You have to practice about your speaking because after this you have to make a video. Ada beberapa aspek yang harus kamu perhatikan. Pertama itu ada pronunciation, and then about the fluency,
Thank you,
then
Miss.
accuracy, intonation-nya, kemudian volume. Next week you have to collect the videos, and then you have to make sure that your videos is not more than 5 minutes. Is
Okay,
it
Miss.
clear?
Clear, Miss.
Well, Miss.
Dear Miss,
Nah, now I want you to do the evaluation test. Nah, before we close the session, some of you make a conclusion. Anyone?
Saya, Miss.
Oke, Mona, please.
Dari pertemuan sebelumnya kan kita mempelajari descriptive text tentang karakteristik, generik, khusus sosial, grammar, dan lainnya. Nah, pada pertemuan kali ini kita belajar lebih spesifik lagi tentang tempat dan belajar menyusun teks lisan sesuai yang sudah kita pelajari pada pagi hari ini.
How about your feeling? Coba
Saya,
sampaikan refleksi kalian tentang pembelajaran hari ini. Asa Monica, silahkan.
I am so happy learning this material. Saya jadi lebih belajar menceritakan tempat wisata dan berlatih speaking secara langsung.
So you are happy by speaking ya. Jadi kamu senang latihan berbicara nih.
Iya, Miss.
Nah, jadi nanti kalau di kelas luring ya, kalau sudah kita ketemu di kelas langsung, jadi jangan lagi ada yang malu-malu speak up aja. Jadi urusan salah benar urusan nanti, yang penting kita belajar dulu. I hope that you have a great time in this pandemic. Bisa tetap jaga kesehatan, tapi bersenang-senangnya
Miss.
jangan keluar, tetap jaga jarak, jaga protokol kesehatannya ya.
Okay, Miss.
Class captain, can you please close the meeting by leading the prayer?
Okay, Miss. Before we finish our studying, let's pray together by begin. Try finish.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
See you
Okay.
next week. Bye bye.
See you.
bye bye.